Hello folks, welcome back to another lesson. Nice quick one this. We're just doing the rhythm parts to Autopilot by Queens of the Stone Age. I'll do the lead parts at some point, but comment below if you want them so I know how many people are interested. This is a Beleaguer Espada Ambient. Check it out. Pretty cool, isn't it? You'll be seeing a fair more on this. I had loads of comments on this already, so check it out. Really good value guitars. I'm also using the Funny Little Boxes skeleton key. There's very few of these left. If you're interested in getting one, do. And then there'll, I think, be a little wait for the red ones, if I'm remembering what Andy told me. But you just need a little bit of gain, to be honest. So light gain for this one. So first riff. Once you get it, this is so much fun to play, trust me. So do stick with it. But it's not really difficult, but there's a few bits to get into muscle memory, really. The first part, and it's all around this B minor 7. So you're going to bar the 7th fret, right, for the throughout actually, and we go. That's the first part. So it's a hammer on and another downstroke. Then play the full chord, or as I've tabbed, hit those top 4, okay, for that little bit that rings out. Once that's ringing out, there's a little upstroke. And then you're going to play this. That's what you're doing. And don't worry too much about where you're strumming. You know, you don't need to do it exactly as I've tapped. But one more time, very slowly. Then, and again I've kept my first finger flattened there, you're going to put your little finger and your third finger on the 10th and the 9th fret. Give you a D, right? And then you play 2 of those, and you leave your little finger and first finger in situ. It's still just this third finger that's doing the hammer-ons, okay? So you have... and they all come off there. So you're playing. Then your third finger goes down 1 string. And you play that. So that again. All off there. One more time. So effective. It's really cool, but you just need to break it down into little chunks. So really you're playing one more time around the whole thing slowly. Like that, and then speed. Like that. Play that 8 times, and then it goes into this part, which is just 16th notes. You'd have like that. You play that whole thing 4 times in all. It's B minor to G to E. No. How I'm playing that, I don't change to this shape, right? Because keep your 3 fingers, slide them down to the 2nd fret, okay? And I play all downstrokes. So 8 there, slide the last one, which is just going to be natural because you need to jump down there pretty quick. Sometimes, the second time round, he does play. It does an 8th note on that last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to you if you want to do that. Then another 8 here. And then a bar's worth here, which is 16. Like that, pretty straightforward. Then this is an acoustic part actually. You've got C to G, A to E. The little pass. A few open strings there. Second time you stay on the A. Third time, same as the first. Fourth time, you go into that twice. So the rhythm is like that. That's the first 2 times. Third time, same as the first time. Slow that down, then we have. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up. When you change to the G, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you go to the A. Change at the same place though, right? So it's down, down, up, off, change. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, that's the first and the third time. Second time. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then the fourth time. Do that twice, okay? Back into the chorus riff 8 times. And then you finish with. And that is you all done. Hope you enjoyed that one. As I say, comment below if you want the solo. See you soon.